Hey guys, it's Apple Tech Review once again. Today I want to show you a simple trick how you can show COVID-19 stamp or vaccine stamp in your Atlas. So if you know you finished your 2 doses and the stamp showed in your Atlas app, so I'm going to give you a simple trick how you can make your Atlas show this vaccination stamp. So especially on Android, if you have Android and you have internet on this one, Wi-Fi or mobile data, just open your app, you click on notifications. If it's not still showing up, that shows that your application is not accessing the data or it is having some malfunction. So what you need to do is only to click on notifications, touch on notifications. If you click on notifications and your app restarts again, or it shows you that the app closed or it just keeps stopping like that, what you need to do is only a simple thing. You need to remove this app or uninstall it. Once you uninstall it, immediately again install it. After installing it, open it. Yeah, this is the stage. Then open it. They will show you the terms and conditions. Just scroll around, accept, then put your mobile number. Again, same like how you are registering before, how you registered before. Put your QID number. After QID, also put the expiry date of QID. Then they will send you OTP. They'll send you OTP after this one. Okay, click on get verification. So most of apps, they don't access data. That's why after 7 days you don't receive a vaccination stamp in your Atlas. So this is just very simple. After a few seconds you receive OTP. Put your OTP again. Then after it will show registering within a few seconds to register. Then here I don't need to do anything. As long as your data is on, your mobile data is on, or Wi-Fi, automatically it will show up as you have seen. Yeah, so this is the simple trick. If you are not getting a stamp, yeah, so you have to make sure you have notifications, or you have received the notification in previous 7 days. So once you receive that one and you touch on it, it will automatically show you. So if you find you haven't received any notification from MOF, then you need to, that means your Atlas is not accessing the data. All you need is to make sure it accesses the data. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.